Hello everyone, let's see a question from JEE Main 2004 from the chapter Current Electricity. The electrochemical equivalent of a metal is given. We have to find out the mass of the metal liberated at the cathode when a 3 ampere current is passed for 2 seconds. So, according to Faraday's first law of electrolysis, a mass liberated equal to electrochemical equivalent into quantity of electricity passed, or we can tell it that ZI into T. Electrochemical equivalent is given as 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 7 kilogram per coulomb, and mass of then current is given as 3 ampere and time is given as 2 seconds. Therefore, upon calculation, you will get the answer as 19.8 into 10 raised to minus 7 kilogram. So, the right answer is A. You can get more concept from this chapter by clicking the concept list here, and you can go through the concept, and you can get more questions by scrolling. Thank you.